Are you a teenager who runs late to school every morning? Or perhaps more aggravatingly, are you a parent whose teenager is always running late in the morning? So I have a client who's a freshman in high school, and boy, does she have a hard time being ready for her carpool who drives by every morning. She's always consistently 2 or 3 minutes late, and her mom is consistently texting me about what do we do about this? So this young woman and I were chatting about, why is it that you run late? And she said, usually it's because I always remember at the last minute, oh gosh, I need to pack this in my sports bag, or oh gosh, I forgot this book, and so I have to run up and get it. And even though we've talked about the importance of packing her backpack the night before, she says she's always so tired at the end of her homework time. You know, it's 10 p.m. Here she is packing her bag. She just doesn't do a good job. And even if we have a list of what she should make sure to pack, you know, she still doesn't read that list very well. So I asked her, what do you think we should do? And here's what she came up with. And I thought it was such a good idea. So instead of packing her bag right before bed, what she decided is right when she gets home from school, the very first thing she's going to do is pack her sports bag, because she doesn't need that, right? So she can take out all her dirty, sweaty clothes, put in a new outfit, whatever she needs to do there, and then put it next to the front door. So that's step number one. Step number two that she decided to play with is keep her backpack packed as she goes. So when it's time to do homework, she has her, get out her planner. So she has her list in her planner of everything she needs to do. The first thing, get that assignment out, do it. And then instead of pushing it to the side, put it back in her backpack, get out the next one, do it, put it back in her backpack, and keep her bag packed as she does each assignment. We came up with this idea about a week ago before making this video. And so I've been able to check in with her about 1 week's worth of data about how this was going. And she said, oh, it's so much better. Like, it's so much easier. And she actually feels more organized while she's doing her homework, because instead of spreading out all over the place, she's keeping everything in her backpack. She also said it's just really easy and feels kind of good to get home and get those sweaty clothes out of her sports bag. So I don't know. Will this work for you? Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Gretchen at Gretchen Wegner is how you can always find me. If you don't know who I am, by the way, I'm an academic life coach working with students on time management, organization, and study skills. And I also train educators, all kinds of educators, some tips and tricks for how to work on these habits with students as well. So need any more information about me? You got it at GretchenWegner.com. And as always, I'll see you next Wednesday. Take care of yourselves until then.